Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, going to show you how you can fix Instagram app not working on iPhone. So first up here, just need to go to your settings on your iPhone. And then once you open your settings, go to general settings. Then scroll down and find iPhone storage and look for the Instagram app. Then from here, tap on Offload App. So this will free up storage used by the app, but keep its documents and data. Reinstalling the app will place back your data if the app is still available for download. So tap on this Offload App button. And then once you tap on Offload App, then the next step is going to home screen and then go to App Store. From here, search for the Instagram app. Type right here, go to this application. And if an update button shows up, tap on update. And once done, tap on open and it should be fixed the issue. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next video.